some going down 11th Street.
So you impressed, Jody?
Yes.
Go.
How come we don't go to the meeting place?
Because they're going to have so many people. Lynn, look, everybody on the left is from the parking lot. It's all around. It's all around town.
Oh my God!
Can you believe this? Can you believe this? It's the whole town.
I know. It looks so cool.
The whole town.
Awesome!
That was Ruby. 4 more years, guys. Hey, you just leaving the parking lot? Hey, are you guys just leaving the parking lot? Did you just leave from the parking lot? Because this is going all the way around town. I'm telling you. Yeah.
Y'all just left? Oh,
Okay. Okay. Look at this. Man, I don't believe this. I don't believe it. We love you guys.
Did you see that, Rick?
That's
What?
so blue.
That's the limo.
The what?
You didn't see the limo? Long stretch limo.
Yeah.
Here's Jody.
I cannot believe it, man. It's crazy, Ken. It's absolutely fantastic.
History in the making.
Yeah, this is so incredible.
Woo!
Yeah. Sit your head out there. How's it going?
Great day.
Where'd you pick up this guy?
Actually, it's a girl.
It's a woman?
It's transgender.
Transgender.
Transgenders for Trump. You all right there, Jody?
I'm good.
Okay, buddy.
Woohoo!
You know how disheartening it has to be to those people
I
to
know.
see this?
I know.
To be on
Okay,
the
I
losing
mean, to
team.
be on the losing team. I never wanted to be with the losers. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have all that footage on the dash cam. Oh, and I'm going to pull that out when I get home.
Oh, yay, Rick.
Yes.
Bikers for Trump. They forgot about
Okay, now we're supposed to go back to the parking lot. Let's go to Whataburger and take a little break. And see, then we'll come back here and flag wave. Okay?